Did I show you the hardy cyclamen? If I didn't, get out there and buy some. Yeah, it's cyclamen coum. Really good, spread easily. Put them in a fairly moist condition. They work well on banks. And then just over here, let me show you something else. Against the road over here, now another favourite of mine is the common hellebore. And they self-seed. You can see another young plant there. They self-seed and work really well indeed. So there's a couple of extra plants to look for. Common hellebore, not the fancy ones, and look out for cyclamen. You can buy them as a corm at this time of year, the cyclamen, or you can buy them in flower like I've just shown you there, and you plant them in a bank. They work really well. Give them a bit of leaf mould and a bit of help, and you'll have them for years.